afternoon, everybody. We are in White Deer today at a basketball tournament event with the food truck. Been pretty busy. It's kind of cold though. Windy, cold. I was gonna get the drone out. Decided that probably wouldn't be best. I'm still trying to learn the drone and be a little more comfortable flying it. Yeah, just not today. I got it out and was going to use it, but I just couldn't. I tried lifting off with it and it blew sideways about 3 foot, so I decided that probably wasn't the best day for that. Anyway, that's about what we're doing today. It is definitely cold out here. We slowed down a little bit, so I was just going to kind of get on here a minute. Still cold, wind's still blowing. Hopefully the wind's not messing with the voice recording very bad, but anyway, slowed down some. They're able to roll with it pretty good now. Been a busy day, for sure. I sure like doing this, going to events and things like that, doing what I love doing, cooking barbecue, stuff like that, but whew, it's nicer when it's not cold. So, get on a few cars. Anyway, turn y'all around a minute. So, I hadn't recorded this close to the generator, so I don't know, I may have to voice over it, but we'll see. We, like I said, slowed down just a little bit. I'm working on some things. Just pulled more ribs off. Just got done slicing the next brisket. Things like that. So, anyway, we'll keep going here for another few hours. So, we'll catch back in with y'all. Check back in with y'all here in, I don't know, a couple hours or something like that when we're getting ready to go. Once we get her packed up for sure, but I'll try to get some more footage inside the trailer and stuff like that. So, appreciate it. we are wrapped up. Shut down. Another good day. Appreciate them having us over here at this event. So we got everything put up, getting ready to hook on, head this thing home. So I appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to try to do this more often, do it again, try to do my events, cook-offs, things like that. So yeah, so I guess we will see y'all next time.